show. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you more simple and easy DIYs and some last moment decorations for Diwali. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time. The first DIY would be a diya stand. I've taken 3 paper rolls of 3 different size and I'm going to wrap it up with gift wrappers. Then I've taken 4 cardboard circles and I'm going to mark the paper rolls on them. And then cut it out. I'm going to glue all of them together and then I'm going to paper tape on the edges or the circumference. Then I've used acrylic paint to paint it white first and then yellow color. I've used some stone stickers to decorate the paper rolls and also the stand. Then I'm going to place them on the stand. This is how it looks now. And simply place some diyas on them. And that's it. My second DIY is a rainbow Rangoli. I've taken a desert cup and I'm just pouring some Rangoli powder on it. Just mix and match some colors and it's going to look beautiful. Then you can place the candles, tea light candles on them, or I have placed it on the cover of it later. For the third DIY, I've taken some red pepper rolls and I'll just cut those into thin slices with different colors. Shred it up all and then I'll place it on this tray. This will add a little more color to the decor. And place some tea light candles on it. I'm placing this in front of my television. Now some last minute decorations. So I have placed some green glitter leaves with the diyas last time that I made. Then I have hung some Christmas decoration hangings on the sides of the door. I got this bronze plastic plate from Dolrama and I placed some shredded yellow and orange tissue papers to look like shredded flowers, flower petals. made this pink garland too, and I placed it as a border, and then I placed my rangoli, paper rangoli, which I showed you in my last video, and some tea lights. I had this white tray, I don't remember from where. I placed some real indoor plants and some fake plants on the bottom, and some tea lights. Simply place them on the window frame. I got this table runner which was sold for Christmas, but it goes with my room decoration. So I placed it on my ottoman, and then I placed a wooden tray with this glass bowl that have fake flowers and some LED lights, and I placed my second DIY on both the sides. I use this nested table as my centerpiece, a center table, and I place some mats and indoor plant. And a few hand painted wooden coasters. These coasters you'll find at our store, Etsy store, Sun Canvas Studio. I will share the link. Please go and check our shop at Etsy. I've also placed some diyas here. I used my last year decoration lanterns also to hang it from the ceiling. I got this decorative pillows from Walmart, which gives a very festive look, and these lights. Diwali is all about three things to me. One is lights, flowers, and colors. So the more of anything you add, any of these three, the more beautiful it looks. Some lights on the bookshelf. That's the final look. So that's it for today. Hope you've liked the video. If you do, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And do comment me your thoughts. Thank you so much.